Hi friends, welcome to Date and Current Affairs. Today first news is Kalaripaya 2 Academy braces for action. What is in the news actually? The Kerala state government has decided to establish an academy at Thiruvananthapuram. They want to establish Kalaripaya 2 Academy in Thiruvananthapuram. Kalaripaya 2 is a traditional martial art technique in Kerala. The martial art has survived for hundreds of years and is believed to have a legacy in excess of 3,000 years. The academy will be set up at the Vellar Crafts Village under the Department of Tourism. The academy is expected to have children and adults as students. This will be important for arts and culture topic because they are going to establish a new academy in Thiruvananthapuram, Kalaripayattu Academy. Second news, vaccination drive to start on Jan 16th. This is going to be one of the important day for India as because the vaccination is going to start on January 16th. The COVID-19 vaccination drive in India will commence on January 16th. The vaccination drive will be along the lines of the vaccination policy announced by the government. The vaccination policy has identified certain sections of the population based on their vulnerability and exposure. To date, India has had over 10 million COVID-19 cases and over 1.5 lakh deaths. This precarious situation has mandated a detailed vaccination plan. Drugs Controller General of India had granted emergency use of authorization of two vaccines, Covishield and Covaxin. India is aiming to vaccinate around 300 million people against COVID-19 during the course of 6 to 7 months. The vaccine drive will hope to diminish the pace at which the virus spreads as there is no conclusive cure available as of today. What's the announcement? There was a meeting chaired by Prime Minister which deals with reviewing of the status of COVID-19 in the country. The meeting also focused on the preparedness of the states and UTs for the vaccination program. The vaccination exercise will use the principles of people's participation, the experience of elections, and the universal immunization program. There will be no compromise of existing healthcare services, especially national programs and primary healthcare. What is CoWIN platform? A new digital platform called CoWIN is being used for COVID-19 vaccination drive. This will be is going to be one of the important point in next coming competitive exams. What is CoWIN platform? This is a user-friendly mobile app for recording vaccine data is working as a beneficiary management platform having various models. The platform would help assist the program managers across all levels through automated session allocation of pre-registered beneficiaries, their verification, and for generating a digital certificate upon successful completion of the vaccine schedule. You can see about the Covaxin, how their procedure will be happened in after January 16th. I have uploaded a government video recently. You can see that and you can know how will be the procedure. New challenges for COVID-19 vaccine trials in India. There are some challenges also occurred for vaccine trials in India. The COVID-19 infections in India have been on a decline now. Therefore, there could be a possibility where the enrollment of volunteers could dwindle. Vaccine manufacturers may now have to explore other alternatives such as conducting phase 3 trials overseas, and efficacy results from such trials would be accepted by the Indian regulator for giving NOD to the vaccine. What is the issue is that now the cases are decreasing in India, so that the volunteers are also decreasing because they are in a mood that no need of vaccine for them, so they are not ready to be take the vaccine as a volunteer. So the vaccine manufacturers are seeing for alternatives for going to foreign countries to get volunteers. And Serum Institute's Covishield vaccine was granted permission for restricted use under emergency use authorization, following which Bharat Biotech's Covaxin also secured approval with certain other riders. The securing of approval from the Drug Control General of India has meant that the vaccines are ready to be rolled out under the vaccination program. The government has chalked out a vaccination plan and also identified beneficiaries with 4 high-risk priority groups beginning with frontline healthcare workers. These are the first important group whom the vaccination will be with whom vaccination will be started. Another vaccine may be on the horizon. The Ahmedabad based Zydus Cadila recently got the green light to conduct the phase 3 trials, and which is a good news, and has to begin the recruitment. Biological E and Dr. Reddy's laboratory too have been expressed interest. Next, decoding a meteoroid that fell near Jaipur in 2017. The year 2017 witnessed a rare event of the bright trail in the sky followed by thunderous sound. Soon the people of Mukundapura village near Jaipur who had seen the event unfold on the sky spotted a burning object with sulfur smell on the soft agricultural land. What are the details? The meteorite was dismembered into several pieces. The Geological Survey of India has been carrying out investigation on the remnants of the meteorite to discover vital information about the solar system. And a meteorite is a term given to the piece of comet or asteroid that falls into the Earth's atmosphere and survives to hit the surface. These objects come in 3 easy to remember categories: stony, metallic, and stony metallic. So the Geological Survey of India is still investigating about this. Next, harnessing what Einstein called spooky action at a distance. The previous budget session saw the proposal to earmark 8,000 crores for the development of quantum science and technology. Nowadays, quantum science and technology is becoming a huge thing in science and technology, because in future it will be there will be huge development revolving around the quantum science and technology. The proposal was soon followed by a detailed project report for a national mission on quantum technology and applications, and this report may in near future secure approval. The importance of quantum technology was recognized, and the Department of Science and Technology of the Government of India had initiated a program called Quest to explore the possibilities and engage with the researchers. Uh, Potential applications. Quantum based products have been witnessing a surge in investments in the international arena. This investment is borne by both the state agencies and private sector players. The range of potential applications are vast, ranging from secure communication, fast computers that established quantum supremacy, sensors, and quantum inspired devices. You can see here how what are the vast applications of quantum science and technology in near future. The interest and investment in the sector are largely accompanied by the urge to secure a first mover advantage. And in 2019, 20 prelims, there is a question related to Quest also. You can know the importance of the science and quantum science and technology with respect to the competitive exams. The threat posed by avian influenza. The states of Kerala, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Gujarat, and Uttar Pradesh have in recent weeks reported the outbreak of avian influenza, which is called as bird flu. Details: avian influenza is popularly referred to as a bird flu, which I said earlier. The reports of unusual deaths of large number of birds, including wild ones, started coming in from many states, indicating that the virus is being actively transmitted among various bird groups. The reports have suggested that two virus types are responsible for the outbreaks, that are H5N1 and H5N8. These two are the responsible for this avian influenza. Thank you very much, friends. Today I am unable to give a lecture on geography due to some urgency work. We will continue the next geography lecture in next Sunday, and we will meet you tomorrow in our next current affairs session. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, share, like or dislike, and comment. Thank you.